Welcome to 2087 Elmridge Road. This fantastic 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home, the covered front porch, 2-car garage, fenced backyard, and loads of custom features inside. It's located in the Bowden Village subdivision in Southeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, the VA hospital, as well as the the University of South Carolina Med School. We're out front. You can see you have a nice sized driveway leading up to the 2-car garage, some brick detailing on the exterior facade as well around the garage and porch. And you also do have sidewalks on this side of the street, which is a nice feature. Pad extends here to the front entry, so you have just a sort of a shallow covered front porch or front entry. Nice lighting, as you can see as well as you enter. So we step inside into the foyer. You have the stairs coming off of the front door going to the second level, but a large foyer area here is nice and wide, so you could accommodate a console table or some entry style furniture in here. But overall, it's just a nice space. You have some hooks installed beside the front door as well. And you can see you have low maintenance vinyl wood look flooring throughout most of the main level. It starts here in the entry and continues into the living area, kitchen as well. You have a nice sized closet here, as you can see off of that front foyer, kind of extends beneath the stairs. You have some shelving in there, so a coat closet with some extra storage also. And then you can see the open floor plan living, kitchen, and dining area here. So dining is most likely back towards this side with the windows closer to the foyer area. But you can see you also do have nice sized living space with a ceiling fan and gas fireplace as well. Also, you have a nice sized kitchen here. And actually, before we show you that, we'll just go ahead and go out this back door and just show you that space, just for efficiency. So you see you have a nice slider looking out towards the backyard. So you have a patio right off the back. And again, nice sized yard that has privacy fencing. You do have some sort of a row of trees there that with time could grow up and give you a bit more privacy. But you have some nice lighting out here as well, and sort of a railing off that patio for safety. But just a nice backyard area. And as you come back inside again, you see the nice updated features or light fixtures throughout, sort of a black metal and wooden glass design. You also do, of course, have the gas log fireplace, as we mentioned, which has a nice stone surround as well. And that is switch operated. And you kind of do have some built-in runs for cabling behind in that area above where you would most likely place a TV, or where there's sort of configured for one. But you have the flush mount or recessed lighting throughout this space as well. Large island here in the kitchen facing out with some bar seating. You have granite countertops as well as beautiful sort of a glazed subway tile backsplash, white cabinets and modern black hardware, in addition to the stainless steel appliances. So there's an above range microwave, smooth top electric stove, dishwasher, and then a nice French door refrigerator with the bottom drawers. Additional counter space over here. And then we pop into here, that automatic light will pop on for us, and you see you have beautiful walk-in pantry, sort of a butler style pantry with additional space in there. So loads of cabinet space. You can see great built-ins in here for extra storage. The door that closes that off, nice butcher block countertop. And you can see that light just popped off automatically, which brings me to an additional feature in the home. It does have, I believe, Deacon smart switches installed throughout. So those can be app controlled. They're programmable with timers. Also, you have dimmers on pretty much all the lights throughout as well. So a great feature throughout the home for automation. Also, we'll go ahead and mention that there's It's also pre-wired for with ADT security. There's a panel in there as well, sort of a video panel, which has the display. We're in the downstairs bedroom now, just to continue the tour. Again, nice ceiling fan in here. So you do have a downstairs bedroom and a full bathroom right across the hall. So guest space, but also just perfect for having a bathroom downstairs, and it is a full instead of a half. So you have the single vanity, nice flooring, and then a walk-in shower. And then you have a nice linen closet down here for some extra storage as well. And just to continue, as we mentioned, the other features. So again, the pre-wired ADT panel, you can see it right there. Has door sensors and all that. And then also, I believe there, last thing to mention, does have a pre-installed irrigation system with a Rainbird system that you can, I believe, app control and control from your phone or mobile devices as well. So just wanted to mention those additional features that not all homes have. So up on the second floor, where the remaining 4 bedrooms are, we have a nice landing or loft space off the stairs here. As you can see, it has a large closet, which has a, not attached, but included. You can see just shelving there, which turns that into a much more usable storage space. To the right here is access to our primary suite. And here you can see you have ceiling fan, of course, as well, sort of in that kind of similar style. A couple of windows looking out towards the front of the home. Nice size room. You can accommodate a king size bed, nice large furniture in here if you like. You have a, again, nice full bathroom off of the bedroom as well. Has a private water closet, some shelving there built in. It's a really generous spacing in here. Also, you have the double sinks, the solid surface countertop. And again, it's just some nicely installed hooks and extra shelving and features as well. You do have a nice size sort of walk-in linen closet with even some hanging space there behind the door. And then also a walk-in shower, sort of similar to the downstairs bath. Some nice additional fixtures there with the rain head and the hand-operated sprayer in the shower. And then on the other side, you have beautiful closet that's been customized with all sorts of extra shelving in here, as you can see. So lots of built-ins, shelves, storage. There's even some things that sort of slide out. So some sliding drawers, you have more of those there. It's a really nice closet setup. As you can see, maximizes the space, and you also have a nice window in here for natural light. So continuing, there are 3 more bedrooms up here. As we're just walking through, see this area, and you saw that automatic light pop on again. You have a nice size, full size laundry room. The washer dryer in here are front loaders, and I believe those do stay with the unit or stay with the home, but you would want to, of course, confirm those details with the leasing office. They are here at the time of the recording of this video. And as you can see, another nice linen closet there. And then the remainder of your bedrooms and the third and final bath are clustered here. We'll show you the bath first. It's been nicely upgraded as well. You have some nice sort of wainscoting in there that's been installed. And you also have the double sinks, that same flooring, and a shower and tub. So I believe that is the only tub in the home, so do keep that in mind. And we'll just cycle through these last couple of bedrooms pretty quickly. So you have one here, faces the backyard. And you can see the closet, sort of a shallow walk-in. Then bedroom number 4, with the ceiling fan. Not all the bedrooms up here have ceiling fans, some do. So this one certainly does, as you can see. Saw the closet there as well. And then last but not least, your 5th and final bedroom. This is sort of that other one was rear facing as well. This one's sort of on the left side of the house if you're facing from the front. And again, the closet is over on this side, and you can see, again, sort of pretty standard. No ceiling fan in this room. There is an attic pull down, some possible storage up there to complete the second floor as well. So that wraps up our tour of this home. Again, the address is 2087 Elmridge Road in Southeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co. Realized we may have forgotten to show you the access to the garage that is between the security panel and the fridge in the kitchen, which you can see here. You have a nice size 2-car garage from the inside. You have some built-in shelving in here as well, or storage racks that come down from the ceiling. This is a smaller, medium-sized SUV parked inside right now for scale, just to give you an idea of the space. Just wanted to include that in case it did not make it into the original video.